Okay, one more video on drawing to show you how to put in double bonds and other atoms besides carbon. So this isn't just an actual problem for mastering chemistry. This is just an example. So let's say I wanted to draw this molecule that I have over here on the right hand side. So I'd probably start by just drawing this sort of base chain, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon atoms. So I come over here and use my chain tool, and so I'll drag it out until I get to 8 and then let go. And then let's first put in this double bond. So to change from single bonds to double bonds, I want to come over here to where it's the single, and then down in the corner, if I press and hold that, if I hold it for a second, I can then let go, and then this will allow me to change the bond type. And so I can go over here and click on, I want a double bond. And so now when I click where I want the double bond, I'll just click on that bond, and it turns it into a double bond, and actually handily, it also automatically adjusts the hydrogens. Now, to come in and put in this OH, there are a couple different ways I could do it. One way would be to select the oxygen tool and then hover over the carbon I want to attach it to until it turns green, and then click and drag. And then when I let go, it makes it the OH, right? And it automatically knows that oxygen likes to have two bonds. So I made the single bond uh, with the carbon atom, and it automatically put in the H. And kind of the same thing down here with the NH2. It knows nitrogen likes to form three bonds. So when I come over here to the nitrogen, and I go over the atom that I want it on, I can just hover over and then click, drag it down, and it automatically puts in an NH2 because it knows nitrogen likes to have three bonds. And so I've got the single bond to the carbon, so it automatically slaps on two hydrogens. Now come over here and do the carbon double bonded to the oxygen. I can start it the same way, right? So I'll select my oxygen, click, drag it down, right? And it automatically put in an OH, right? So it's got the oxygen, but I don't want the OH. I want it to be double bonded to the carbon. But all I got to do is come back here. The double bond tool is already selected. So I just click on that, click on the bond. It automatically made it a double bond, and it took away those hydrogens that I didn't want.